So you deal with it, man. Hey, that don't see free, man. Man, them get richer now, so they look like them start switching now.
Morning. May I eat Easter bun and cheese? Nice.
Morning.
Bluetooth connected.
Morning.
Look like a connection chat
All royal crazies. Love you all crazies. Big up on yourself. Nice skin self. Morning. I'm on the shop there, I know.
Should carry the shop with her. Yvette is out the shop finally. If I went Friday, from Thursday, she said she'll come. I say, you not come nowhere. Road trip, man. You don't know when me up on the move, me up on the move. We're not in the same house. And we're up on live. Yeah, we're in the same room. Do we come back live with me? All right. Sending back a request. Dwayne, if I tell Dwayne to come back live.
Hello, outside. Do it!
Come live with me. Shut up. Sorry, crazy. How was the Easter? It's still Easter Sunday. What's up? Who got church? I brush my teeth for morning. Now I wait for brush my teeth and spit out the teeth water prior. Them no brush. Couldn't brush it out, monsieur. Big up in that, my nice clean friend, husband. Big up on yourself. Thank you, beauty. Beauty what? Beauty time. Morning. I now go back to England. You can't send for me. I live anywhere. Yeah. I did church. Was lovely. Church. Okay, where's the church? If at the house phone I ring. If at the shop phone. If at the shop phone I ring. Happy Easter, right, crazies. 40 day and 40 night Lent. You know where it go? Morning, Mr. Scarlett.
There, Air Force match with any top. Them a ask where they think they're on the belly for. I think come down now. We get the foot gears them clean, you know? That's a code. Never lie. 3 different peer right to say right now.
Yeah,
And
stupid trainers
and
then.
chronic law talking talk
Do
about
it.
me, you know?
Do it. I
Why
want to
force
wear
you?
for the blue one.
What?
I want to wear for the blue one.
Yo, let's see me shoes them allow me shoes them no lady.
I'm glad me wear same size, you see.
Yo, me say sometimes I just sorry see you have a tight the wife, you know? Yeah.
Sometimes sorry, so what?
Sorry. Because everything you want take over. Backside.
Then that's the purpose of a wife.
You know, that's why I say, yo, me sorry because everything you take over. Me can't
No,
take over.
stop saying you're sorry. You're not sorry. Proper promotion morning.
I'm not sorry. I love it.
I love it too.
There's no how to get on my skin, you know.
Do it. Which one of the trainers you lend me today?
Jay, why don't leave me on my shoes them alone, lady?
Go man, can you glad for me pull up my foot in your shoes?
Yeah, I know it's sweet when you put it on. I can't tell the egg. Take them off now, no?
I don't have husband with them and them wear the same size as back.
No.
Do it.
No. You sure they want a beat off a white one?
Do it. Yeah, me take a beat off of them there. Do it. You remember my teeth are white, you're white. You're not listening.
Yeah, that's why I clean them.
Do it.
What's your problem?
I not teeth, my teeth. When me take a white, just up a trainer that I'm muggling at them. You remember?
A pop style for me, man. Yeah, kick it out in a dance, I kick you out. And I say, what
He
you
said,
do?
no, when I kick out my foot, I said, no, man, I need to kick out my foot, make him sister me have on them shoes. When you said
Man,
to
kick
me that,
it out, you know.
eh?
You say, I did kick it out for me, I have to see them.
Then me could me say, as a man see me,
Man,
the man say, crazy. When my shoes there? I want my
me
shoes,
just
say
say,
me.
trainer, we are show off for me there.
I like to have one wear them in the event. If I would buy them, I said, do it. That was the favorite one. I said, do it more. Who's here?
Bridget.
Is Bridget what, man? How am I feeling, man? Come on,
No,
good man.
now let's see what I want.
May I eat
Fuck that.
bit by
Now
bit.
let's see.
Mobile. When they up in the hills of Mobile. Look on the look there. Beautiful. Beer house yes up here. See that?
Dialyze paradise.
And the wind and the breeze and all of the house them have the balconies. Beautiful. Yeah. What you make us over me and do with shoes?
Yo,
What you
you
mean,
see
boy?
them you know?
I
You
can't
know,
wait
put them
because
in
I
the
don't want
water, you see me? You just use water brush them off. That's a code.
that Friday, you know, happen. Do you not miss me?
Eh?
You don't miss me.
Yeah, mama, miss you, man.
No. Do the talking to now.
Yeah, man,
You come and camera on there, say me I sing to
she
the
just
sea.
come around here a while ago.
About 5 times I come through water pan me.
Yeah, man, it's tight, man. She just tell me, say, she tell us she can sing.
It's
She can't
shoes.
sing. Yeah, so that's why I
You
think
don't
she
forget
come.
that word what people like. Just live,
Oh,
no man.
And the time we just do the alarm and between us.
You say you follow this one and I'm out, Mr. Man.
I need to tell you.
You go up wet dreams to blood. I only dream and come true, you know.
No, I don't.
Yeah,
Tell them say, man, I'm out. Different, man.
I say, you know, I am coming, can't say I'm seeing nothing, do it.
Yeah.
I've 5,
She live around there since you got
I've talked to the man, I saw my lion and say 5 half cup of water in the tray.
I sing the peas.
First time I try a full cup, then I say, no, I'm not full cup. Half.
Then I see the something echo with problem.
Echo.
Yeah, there's love trouble, though.
Problem.
Yeah,
I can't see them again.
I'm sure them all Air Force get white now.
What is that echo?
See that?
See that?
H2.
Oh,
What like them brand new?
brand new back again. That's one.
This is what we're talking about. You have put your garlic in your peas and your pimento seed. Yeah, this is what we're talking about in the kitchen. Pablo is cooking in the kitchen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, real chef. Proper chef. All right, do it with the scoops. Scoops.
The activity I tell them all. I know. When I kitchen.
Hey, my husband can't wash good enough.
This is called dry cleaning your shoes, Pop.
Red card?
Yes, dry cleaning. You don't put them in the water, but you use water brush them out.
Yeah, what name?
Dry cleaning your shoes. And get them back brand new.
I know, so them look better for my friend put more than your one.
Them fit me better for two, don't you, bet? Them fit me better, don't.
Them fit you. Them fit.
Yeah, your friend now, but living on the shoes. Yeah.
I know me a living at me love, cause that can't
Yeah,
me.
tell you,
You
look.
say them sexy up and Queenie put my friend put more than you.
So I'm saying that, I fear put them to sexy for me. Yeah, show me the fear about that paper. your Texas.
Yeah, I'm born with that, my love. When I catch them there. No. But like we have to feed them up too. I feel if we can that together a little sneakers and one little shots and stuff. But I like finding money many the same size too. I'm not buying a new for myself again. I cook cream.
No, I don't like some of those shoes them. I know all them shoes them. I don't like him shoes them really. It's true. Some shoes.
The one where you like your pressure there.
I don't know why you like them either. Let's see them and leave them, man. See them? I wish them well.
I'm hungry. I do his shoes them. I go yam. Yeah, like when I wash the shoes them and clean them. I go eat like how I'm hungry. Mm-hmm.
You post much with any top.
Yeah, I prefer. Do it. Yeah?
And salutation from I Teach and Preach to you and your family. The Uncle Sir P, do the right thing, you know. Uncle Sir P, none of us here on earth is not mighty and powerful more than God. Uncle Sir P, I teach and preach, they beg you. May I warn you, Sir P, today the 1st of April. Jesus Christ Almighty God, man. Sir P, do what is right and don't try to rise up against Vibes Cartel. Please, Sir P, you hear it from I teach and preach a spiritual fight, okay? I warn you. Me not threaten you, me not disrespect you. Me not look no clout off of you. Me not look nothing. Me I tell you, say you do the right thing and don't rise up against Vibes Cartel. I warn you, 1st of April 2024. Ramadan. Leap year. No one. Let me tell you something. If you learn this, do not render evil for evil. Do not hurt your enemy. Love them. Feed them. You hear me? Lady, we don't have done time for you. Guess what? Me check your page a little bit a while. And you don't even have 5,000. You don't follow over 5,000 people and not even 2,000 people now follow you. Then me know. When me go cuss you. No give me they give you opportunity to make your page bill. You don't worth it, you're not in my league. I'm not gonna curse with you. Stop it. Your page empty. Just like you. Empty and bad mind and wicked. Go on. Happy all fool day, you foolish.